Hello, what is up, Javid Gang? It is your man here, Javedman. And along with Discord, all of Roblox and all that, there is countless Discord bots made exactly for Roblox. These are all the appropriate ones that I could find so far. In today's video, guys, we are going to be talking about one of the most elusive Roblox bot out there. You guys might know him as the Roblox Clothes Stealer, but I know him as RbxSociety. Da da da. Yes, today's video, guys, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to implement RbxSociety into your servers. Now note, real quick, that Chris, if you are watching this, Chris, yeah, the owners of RbxSociety, I do not condone to any actions that any of these guys were to any of these people to participate in the general server of the Void Society. They have their own set of rules, and there's rules for the bot and any other server. Now they say that they're not going to be allowed. They're not going to look at what you guys post. But if you guys post anything saying stuff like you guys are going to be stealing clothes, or you guys took clothes without permission, then you can lose your permission on using the RbxSociety bot. So yeah, enough said of you guys, because I've been using mine for good. I'll show you guys how to use them and other things like that. So this is my server. I have all of these Discord bots that are all Roblox related. Then I have my own Discord. This is RbxSociety. You know him as that. I'm going to be sending you guys a link in the description below. You're going to be taken to the Void Society. Now, be aware there is some cursing and stuff. Note, this is not me. It is Chris and Kylie. Not YouTube. It is their server. Here's the thing. Alright, so I had to make another bot. Found previous reasons why. With the current state, asset theft is not allowed through RbxSociety. You could lose access to the command permanently if caught. If you run an asset stealing Discord guild / encourage others to steal assets, you and your entire guild, not members itself, could lose access to the command permanently if caught. You should most definitely rebrand / repurpose your guild if so. Like it says here, do not steal, but you can take, like, if you see something, say, here, let me go back, bot command. You could see, guys, how these guys be posting clothes and stuff. Let me see if I can find an example. Here, this shirt right here. You see how it's got this right here? You could put your own thing down on it, and that would be good, because it would be considered your own because you worked on it. Some nice pants. But in other words, guys, don't steal your clothes. You can make it yourself. You can take you could take these clothes and use them as say inspiration. That's the word I was looking for. You could use them as inspiration, and that's very good. They encourage inspiration. But do not steal nor say that you stole. Okay, guys? Alright, now I'm going to show you guys how to get it. Ooh, that is trippy. I'm gonna have to make that into a shirt. Oh yeah, guys, I have a dozen other shirts in my Javedman group that I posted. So if you guys want to take a look, you could. Right here, I'm gonna look up, help. It's gonna take me here. Now this right here is the link to this Discord. You can look at the commands here, other stuff like that. But what you guys need to do is click me, or you can say invite. You can do either way. Now, before you do so, obviously make your own server. Then when you're finished making your server and you want to put the RbxSociety on, you click this. It will then take you here. Oh, hey, look at my channel. You know, you see, this one is part 1. I got almost 200 views. Y'all didn't even take this to 25 views. Come on, guys. I want to see you bring that up. Alright. Now, click here. And this will take you here. I want to take this to my... this one. Continue. Set your things up right here. Click authority. Authorize. You're gonna wait for this to load. While that's loading, I'm gonna pull up Roblox real quick. I am not a robot. And I can prove that I'm not a robot because I'm recording it at the moment. Oh, proved. Alright. Authorized, you may now close this window or tab. You're gonna then go to the area where you invited your bot. For instance, I invited it here. Since I already have the bot, it's not gonna re-invite it because it's already here. Now, this, if you do that help, it will do the exact same as it was in Void Society. Then you can just read through all these by clicking on them. Again, this one is going to be in the description below. Take a look at that. So, plug into my Javedman merch. If you guys like to look at all these fine delicacies that you see upon yourselves, and if you guys want to cop yourself some real quickly, check out a link in the description below to my Javedman Roblox group, and you guys can actually get to take a look at my Javedman merch, and you guys can actually get yourself some of my fresh styled Javedman merch, and then you will be truly part of the Javedman. Alright guys, sorry for this rudely interruption. Let's get back into the video, why don't we? I'll see you guys then. Bye bye. And I'm gonna show you guys how to work it. Don't mind me over here. I was playing some Ghost Rider earlier. It was pretty fun. Let me get to my group. I'm a night cycle mechanic because I'm a tester and stuff. I will hopefully be testing Superhero Life 4, so that game's gonna be fun. Javedman. I also made my first pair of pants, guys, for my sports Javedman hoodie. So, if you guys check it out, it actually matches pretty well. I got my things down here. Take a look at those. I have 20 members. I would love it if you guys would join because we have nice chats and stuff. If I get a store, I got some fabulous Javedman merch here. Now, which one should I take? I think I'm gonna take this one. Since I'm the creator of these, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna copy this. I go back to the Discord. And what you do is you do -rs space the numbers. It used to be -- I believe, but they changed it to dash. Now, enter. Here it is. Now, a thing I like to use to edit my things, I have Photoshop, or I use Paint.net. Paint.net to me, personally, is way smoother than Photoshop, only because I had Paint.net before Photoshop, but I have to get used to Photoshop before I can really decide. But if I go here, I want to center click this. It's going to take me to this area. You're going to right click it, then you're going to left click the copy image, or you could save the image depending, and then you're going to right click again. Oh, hold on, why am I saying right click? You're then going to Crit V for paste, and it should take you here. I'm going to go out screen, blah blah blah. Now that's not supposed to be the size, obviously. If I were to go to my files, save as. No, I don't want to save this. I don't want to save it. I want to pull up my file. Saved pictures, my finished merch. You see I have some merch in here that is not up for sale yet. I want to go here. You see this guy's down here? This is the perfect Roblox size for your outfits, shirts and pants, and or picture, because Roblox will pick up everything. So it's going to be 585, 559, and yeah, if you guys look, this is the shirt here. Got my logo right here. Got the Javedman logo right here. This part is transparent, so when you put it on, same thing with the hands, when you put it on, it's gonna go show your skin and all that, so that's gonna be cool. And that is basically how you take it. Then all you have to do is save it and stuff. It's alright, it don't need to be saved. Don't save that, no. I'm gonna click X. It's already here. I'm gonna go create or manage. It's gonna develop Roblox. And from here, I can just upload my shirt, as I have with all these. Now, unfortunately, guys, I can't upload my shirt right now, or any shirt at the moment, because today is the 2nd, if you guys can see the date. The 1st, yesterday, was my last day of my subscription for making clothes on Roblox, so I'll have to buy myself another one. If you guys want to support me, check out my, let's click that. Support me by checking out my, my Javedman merch. If y'all, since you're on Roblox, or since you guys are on Discord, so you know how to use Discord, if you guys can take screenshots of your characters wearing this, by the way, I'm selling them for 10 Robux each, my clothes, and then for the pants, because I just made my first pair of pants, they're looking mighty fresh, is 5 Robux. So it's going to be 10 Robux for a shirt, 5 for pants, so it'd be 15 in total. And I'm hoping to make a pair of pants to go with every shirt design. Got my logo on there, pants, shoes, looking mighty old fresh. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video of how to work RbxSociety, again, Chris, Kelly, if you guys are watching this, I have no actions on what these guys do. I'm gonna just delete this because I don't need to really have that there. If you guys take my merch, I will murder you in your sleep. And, that's a threat. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoy this fun little quick tutorial on how to download RbxSociety and how to work it. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.